Okay. Okay.
You know what could work is, we can unscrew that and that one over there and make this wood, which looks the same OD. You don't see that one that you're talking about.
There we go. Okay. We need this one.
Yeah, but it's close under there, it's not doing anything.
Right about there. Just right about there.
Yeah, but it's not
Okay,
doing
but
anything.
just trust me.
Okay.
I've done this before. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to give this a shove. You ready?
What, that way?
Wait a minute. When you're doing this kind of stuff, you don't ever want to rush.
No, sir. Okay. Oh my, I'm sorry.
What's that?
You don't want to smell that one.
Is that actual?
No, I think it was your neighbor over there. Your rental neighbor.
I wish we could find that other bar.
Yeah, I don't see it anywhere.
Anyway,
Don't
okay,
do that.
here's your bar. Here's your bar and move it.
Yeah, we're on the edge though.
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Right, so.
No, you need more angle than that. Well, we can't do it because of the door, can we?
Well, we need to get this guy out again. And put it out.
No, we're not on the last one yet. Oh, wait a minute. Here's the problem. Here's the problem right here.
Oh, it's stuck on the,
Yeah, you're gonna come over here and push back.
yeah, and get it over the foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to put this over here.
No, we don't. I just gotta have it moved back just a little bit so I can get this piece out of here.
Go back that way?
Yeah, push back that way just a little bit.
Okay, all right.
That's good. Miserable piece of crap.
Never heard you curse before.
Well, that's because you haven't been around long enough.
I'm sorry.
There.
Okay.
Now we're good.
Okay, now here's the other.
Oh.
See this right here, JD?
Yeah.
This has to go over here instead of out here.
What's that?
See this little thing?
There's a little nerf there.
Yeah. So this has to go.
It'll go over the top of it.
Are you sure?
I'm quite sure.
I
it
don't
will.
think so.
Quite sure it will.
I don't think so. At least you can move it this much farther. But once this gets to
Okay,
right there,
move out of the way.
it's not gonna go over there.
Move out of the way.
Huh?
Move out of the way.
Move out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, push it back this way a little bit.
That towards you?
I've got it. Okay, ready? No, we're jamming up.
Yeah. So let's try that again.
Okay. Now,
Oh.
what you want to do when you're doing something like that is use something like this,
Lever.
and instead of trying to lift that way, put your bar under there and use this as the fulcrum.
Yeah, fulcrum lever. Yes, sir.
There you go. There you go. And then if you kind of twist towards me as you do it, ready?
Okay, yes, sir. Keep going a little bit more, because you got that little peg. Peg's on top of it.
Okay. Did we catch any of it?
Well, it's right underneath the peg, so you're almost good to go. I'm not gonna let down. So push.
Actually,
Uh-oh.
we don't need that underneath it yet. We really need to find that other bar that's,
That one.
that would make things work so much easier.
Well, I'm pretty happy with what we got here. Just a little bit.
I'm not. I don't understand where that could have gone.
So what you're thinking is you want to use the benchmark
Okay, stick that under there.
in the front.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we don't need anything up there yet. Until we get,
Past that one.
yeah. So can you move that rod out, that re-rod out of there?
This one?
Yeah.
No, because it's underneath the peg.
Okay, so it's gotta go past that.
Yeah, and it's
What
on
kind
top
of a peg is that?
It's a rubber peg, you know, like you'd see underneath I don't know.
Huh.
And it's only that thick, and it's on top of it right now.
Okay, so it should move.
Yeah. This.
There you go.
Yeah, so now it's.
You don't ever want to put your fingers between that and the floor. That's the first thing that you learn.
Yeah, I learned that when we. So right now it's off the peg.
Okay, now push your side towards me.
Okay, ready? Oh, we're going backwards. Alright, we need something just a little bit taller than that. Or fulcrum point here. Even a piece of wood or something. Something a little bit taller than that. Even that piece of wood right there might work.
That's a little high. What you need is a piece of 2x4. And there's a bunch of them around.
Yeah, there's right around the corner over here. From here.
Oh. Oh. That'll work. You ain't got enough strength to do that. That needs to be closer in. You need to.
Smaller piece. There was a whole bunch of them right there.
Yeah, the problem is I've got to sit too damn much. Here. Try it this way. Lift that up.
Lift it up this way.
No, it's sliding.
See, the thing's right there. If we just get that on that.
Get a couple of those big heavy blocks that are over there that you saw. Remember?
Bricks up here?
No, right here, these two pieces of wood.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bring them over here, both of them. We need both of them.
Yeah, they're the same thing. You got that one, or oh, this is a broken half. These.
We need both of them. This is the one in your left hand. Or that one in your right hand. Give me that one.
Yeah, because this one's right towards broke.
That's, we don't care. It's plenty strong. That's gonna be good enough. Okay, grab the bar.
I have no idea what you're
I'm hoping, come over here. Put your bar under there and lift right there.
This guy?
Lift up, yeah, right in there. Lift from the center more. Okay, we got that.
Okay, that's free.
I think that'd roll with the shit. Okay, so now what we want is this bar right here. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Up. Oh.
We're going to just push it forward, right? There's no resistance.
Okay.
There you go.
Take that big bar out of there.
The one in the front, or this one?
Yeah, the one in the front.
In the front. It's not touching anything right now.
Okay, good.
It should still be able to go forward.
Well,
And this right here isn't doing anything.
yes, put it back.
Put it back. Oh, so when it gets off this one, it'll fall on that one?
Yeah,
Okay, alright.
right
Okay.
about there, yeah.
Yeah,
A little bit more towards
I'm sorry,
me. A
towards
little
you?
bit more towards me. No, towards me. Roll it towards me. There you go. Not quite so much. Back towards yourself a little bit. Right about there is good.
Okay.
That's good. Okay, now come over here with your bar
My bar, oh, and push it down.
and push it down.
Okay, hang on. Where'd that rascal?
We're going to do this the hard way.
Yeah, that's what she said.
And just slide it down. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, look, this bar is actually doing good. I like it.
That's fine.
I like it. Yeah. Oh, I like this a lot. Let's see when it gets to the front one. Okay, it's starting to fall over there.
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Yeah, what about this?
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Just leave it there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the bar in the front is moving.
Don't worry about it. Keep going. Okay, that's good. We want this one right about here.
What about the
Okay,
one in
and
the
now we
front?
want your bar in the front
To go underneath the tab,
to
right?
come over here.
Mm-hmm.
Take
So,
your
so when we push it,
take your low level fulcrum. That round one.
This one, okay.
Then come over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and then you'll put it under there? Or,
Yeah. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to just lift.
so you can squeeze that
Yeah, I
under
don't want it rolling.
underneath this peg. Okay.
Put your fulcrum. Okay, you got it. Okay, good. Go ahead. Keep going.
Gotta get that tight. There you go.
A little more.
That's as far as I can. Gotta go a little bit more. Hold up. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Now we're cooking with that.
Okay.
Hey. All right, Bob.
Yeah, this one's loose. So now we can take this one, move it back some, right about there.
And that other one's gonna move too.
And now you should be able to roll this thing forward.
This one's not.
That's okay, don't worry about it.
Alright, just wanted to let you know.
Keep going. Keep going.
Lock this door.
Keep going.
Kind of like this is they're actually stuck under there.
You just gotta keep thinking Egyptian while you're doing this.
Yeah, they're building a pyramid.
This is what they did when they were after they had the pyramids built. This is how they got their CNC lathes inside of the pyramids.
Yeah, little late though, don't you think?
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
Oh boy.
I think we might be able to use that, to be honest with you.
Well, we could, but we don't need to worry about it yet. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Hold it. Hold it. Keep going. Keep going. 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 This is the dangerous job here where you can get your fingers pinched if you are really, really careful.
Yeah, because you want to be able to masturbate tonight sometime.
That's right. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, good. We're right at the point where we want to be. Okay. One more. Keep going. Oh, look at that, huh? Huh?
Oh, wow, that was a major mess.
There you go.
That almost effortless.
Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to move that bar, and all of the three of those bars so that they're out of the way. And then what we need to do is
Once we get it,
let me get this chair out of the way. Oh boy.
how are you gonna move it into the wall for this?
Just a minute. Move those three rollers out of the way, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rolling the toolboxes outside.
The red one and the new.
So these three bars need to come out of the way.
Oh, I got you.
And then we need to move the three rollers, the toolboxes.
Oh, and then after this is in position.
Then we get into the serious stuff.
Oh my gosh, you're killing me.
Oh yeah, this is nothing now.
You're killing me. Ugh.
Okay, so what we need to do is you want to put this computer on the table there.
Okay. The one with the
We
screen
can
on
find
it?
that other bar. It'll show up as soon as we're done.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that funny how that always happens? tiny tool I'll throw out after I've stared at it for years. And I'm like, no.
What's in that box? Go ahead and haul that, yeah, take that. I don't know.
I'll just put it over here.
What'd you do with the computer?
I put it over here in front of your keyboard.
Oh, I see, okay. You were supposed to put it on the table.
Oh, the poker table. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't say that.
Now this,
Oh, this looks like a.
this is the paint for my,
What's this gonna be?
this is the paint for my car, or for my truck.
What truck? You don't have a truck.
My red truck.
Oh. Okay.
Soon to be an orange truck.
Oh. Amber orange or just orange?
No, it'll be a reddish one.
Oh, I like those. It's an oil pan.
Yeah,
So where do you want to put this?
good question. Why don't you just set it on that chair out there?
Outside?
Yeah, that one's good enough too. As long as it's out of the way is all we care. Yeah, there's a couple, 3 gallons in there.
Wow. Oh, with all the thinner and everything.
Yeah, it's got all the stuff.
And
Okay,
then-
now that red, the gray box with the red toolbox on top, that's gotta go outside.
Okay.
You can take that along with it.
John,
Yeah,
you need to start the dishwasher.
what's that?
You need to start.
Yeah, I know I do. Do you got it all filled and ready to
Yes.
go? Okay, good. I'll come in
I
and
can
do
help
that.
you, you know.
Just being a brat.
You're being a brat?
Yeah.
Well, you're good at it,
Yeah.
aren't you?
I don't know.
Now what are you doing, sir?
We're moving the lathe. Can't you see that it's already been moved some?
Well, you want me to
Now
help?
that should roll good unless the wheels are locked.
You want me to sweep over there or anything?
You could.
Where's the broom?
Now you're getting
There's
technical.
a- I
It's
think
right by
there's
the
a
door
door
as
right
you're
in the
going
corner.
out on the left.
Really? I'm not doing it on my
I don't think
end.
that's gonna close. I can see it from here, Verna. It's right there.
I'm not getting on my hands.
No,
and
no,
knees.
no. There's a big broom. There's a big push broom there.
Well, this thing,
Yeah.
not locked up. Don't yet.
What's that?
You had it locked up.
I know I'm black from the waist down, but I kind of feel like I'm black all over.
You are. Just keep moving. And that's got nothing to do with it.
Good boy.
Just seeing your smiling face makes it all worth
There you go. You're a good boy.
it. Yeah, you need to call my mom and tell her.
I tell her that every time I see
Okay,
her.
now you did a good job on that one. See if you can do an equally good job with that one.
Just wait a minute,
Yes.
sir.
I know.
I wonder if we should,
Can you
Yes.
reach that? Thank you.
that box, let's leave that box. That box there goes up. Yeah, that needs to go.
Well, so I can get that thing out of here.
Yeah. That can just be push it in more like.
Was this where all you keep no?
That
apparently there's no
table leaf
gold.
right there.
Yeah.
Move that table leaf and then you can push that box thing all the way, tuck it all the way up inside there.
Is this where you keep the gold at, or?
Gold?
Didn't feel heavy.
No, that's
Where's
just,
the little broom at?
I don't know that I have one. There might be one in the other shop.
I think there's one somewhere.
Okay,
I know I had one.
Okay.
so now,
I wanna get it.
These brakes.
I think we'll leave that there for now.
Okay.
I think we can get away without that.
I think we can too.
Okay,
You
so
want
now
it? You
what
want
we
it all the way up
gotta do,
to here, and then.
now what we've gotta do is we need a big hammer. You know where those are?
Well, I have one right here. I don't think you want
No,
to
that, unless you wanna pound on
no,
that.
no. Big hammers.
Okay, as you walk in on this
You
side,
talking about a sludge hammer? Or
yeah, just a big hammer.
Okay.
As you walk in on this side over here, as you walk in the door, the other to the shop, from where you know where my truck and where my 2 trucks are parked, the
The white door.
Forerunner?
Where, by
Yeah,
the,
right there,
by
you
the
go in
floor
that
jacks.
door, and as
Floor
you go in that door,
By the floor
knee
jacks.
high on the left side.
By the floor jacks.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, alright.
Knee high on the,
What are we gonna do with this hammer?
we're gonna palm that so that it's right. We need to turn this. I'll show you a little trick on that.
Like this?
Yeah, a little trick I learned over in Nam.
Oh
You can go out this way if you want.
I will, but kinda confused why you wanna turn it.
Because we want to get it closer to the wall.
Yeah, but everything's facing this way, but okay, whatever you say.
Just trust me on this
Yes,
one.
I don't have a
I've
choice.
done this-
Do I have a
I've
choice?
done this a few times before.
Do I have
See
a
that
choice?
big machine right there?
Yes, sir.
I moved that in here by myself.
I believe you. Or hopefully you weren't using a forklift or anything.
No, I did it the same way as we're doing here.
Hmm.
The Egyptian way.
Okay. Alright, you be right back, man.
Took me most of the day.
Yeah.
There you go.
What happened to my shop vac that I had in mine?
You had a little one about like that. It's in there.
Where?
Keith,
Yes, sir.
can you go in that same room and right up next to that blue CNC mill, that little one that I built? You know that little one that's on the wooden table?
Okay.
Right behind that, or right to the right of it, is a shop vac about that big around.
Okay. Alright.
You want to bring that
so
along
she can
with you
pick up-
too?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Sounds like a
Please.
plan.
Thank you. You know, you never learned manners can be fun, did you?
I did learn manners can be fun. I asked him if he would.
You ask him and then you always say please and thank you.
I see. Well, I asked him if he would, and when he comes back, I'll say thank you.
Okay.
We don't need to be pleasing all the time either, you know.
Yeah, you do. That's the way I was raised.
Well,
Well, I'm sorry. Just the way life is. You'd be surprised what benefits you get
the
from it.
way I was raised, we ate our pets.
Well, I'm sorry that you were raised to eat your pets. Here, have a handful of crap.
I don't need it, thank you.
Little shitbag. Aren't you? Aren't you?
I don't know if I like these negative connotations.
Well,
There you go. There's the shop vac.
always say please.
I didn't know it was spring yet.
and thank
Yeah,
you.
it is.
It is not. Spring isn't till like March.
Yeah, we're dealing with Verna here.
Oh.
It's any time that she determines it is. Now, see, that's
Come on,
perfect.
come on,
isn't
come on,
it?
come on. Ready, Bert?
Well, now,
What?
give me that. I'll show you a little trick I learned over in Nam.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Duck. Don't throw that again.
Believe me, one lap and he won't bother you anymore, I promise.
Now, there's gonna be some chunky stuff in here too, you know.
Oh, it doesn't, man.
Well,
That's
I
what,
don't-
that's the beauty of,
You see what I just did there?
no,
I
I
don't
didn't.
know, what did you
I
do?
just put that at an angle,
Okay.
which is
Oh,
just out
so-
of the front
so
of
you
this
can-
and slide that way, yes.
And then we're gonna still do 180 on this, right?
No, this goes right in just like that.
Oh, okay, alright. You worried there for a minute.
You almost got me with your shop vac.
Oh, sorry,
Booger butt.
sorry,
Aren't you?
sorry.
I know you are.
I haven't done with that remark.
I can show you how sorry you'll be.
Nothing
Yeah,
worse
I
than
know.
having a booger butt on staff.
Unless
Yeah,
they're,
no,
unless
yeah.
they're cute booger